probably have 250 plus typewriters in my collection. Today, that 90% of them are in perfect working order.
Welcome to the second episode of our new series, Celeb Collection, Large, Unique, and Weird. In this episode, let's learn about Tom Hanks' prize collection, vintage typewriters. But before we get into how he put together his vintage typewriter collection, please hit the subscribe button, and let's take a moment to look at his remarkable career first.
Never read bad reviews. Instead, kidnap the critic at gunpoint.
Tom Hanks has become a household name in the entertainment industry thanks to his amazing skills and the lovable character he portrayed. You probably remember him best as Forrest Gump, right?
The only good thing about being wounded in the buttocks is the ice cream.
Or maybe you laughed along with him in Big. Or felt the isolation in Cast Away. His talent knows no bounds, making him one of Hollywood's favorites. He can make us laugh, cry, or just sit back and think, all with his talent. So besides being a successful actor, how did Tom Hanks even get into collecting vintage typewriters? But for all you Gen Z kids here who might not have a clue what a typewriter is or how it even looks, let me break it down for you. Imagine a big clunky machine that looks like a keyboard attached to a printer, but instead of printing, it strikes ink onto paper one letter at a time. So yes, you can call it the grandpa of modern computers.
Hi everybody, Tom Hanks here in my gorgeous theater of typewriting.
Now, let's check out how he started his collection. Well, Tom Hanks has been crazy passionate about collecting typewriters since the 70s. Yes, you heard that right. He's been hunting down these vintage machines for ages, and now he's got a huge collection of almost 250 typewriters, and 90% of them are in perfect working order. So having that mini typewriter can give you options for every mood. But you know how it goes when you're passionate about something, right? Tom Hanks' fascination with typewriters started when he got his very first one at just 19 years old. And let me tell you, once he started collecting them, there was no stopping him. His passion for typewriters just kept on growing. They're brilliant combinations of art and engineering, he once told the New York Times. Every machine is as individual as a set of fingerprints. Every time you type something on a typewriter, it is a one-of-a-kind work of art. And guess what? Lately, he has been spreading his passion for typewriters by sending some of his old-school machines from his own collection to shops all over the country. He is literally mailing them out like they're handwritten letters. In fact, each one he sends out is signed and wrapped up snugly in green towels branded with his production company logo, Playtone. Plus, he includes a personal letter straight from the man himself. That act is truly a special delivery straight from Hollywood.
I have an entire division stuck at Carrot Can with its pants around its ankles. You let me know that.
The actor also once mentioned why he is very fascinated with collecting typewriters. What thrills me about typewriters is that they are meant to do one thing and one thing only, and with the tiniest amount of effort and maintenance, it will last 1,000 years. And like many of us, he finds comfort in the familiar clackety-clack of typewriters. Whether it's jotting down quick memos, drafting shopping lists, or setting reminders, Tom Hanks' typewriters have a charm that's hard to resist. However, even he admits to the convenience of modern computers when it comes to doing more extensive projects, like his book, Uncommon Type.
To other areas of imagination that you will eventually create and record forever on your typewriter.
Being the typewriter enthusiast he is, he has now created an exclusive app for Apple devices called the Typewriter app. The said app can transform your iPad or iPhone into a typewriter and can capture the authentic sound and feel of the old-fashioned typing experience. It's like stepping back in time while embracing the convenience of modern technology, a perfect blend of nostalgia and innovation for typists of all generations.
It's called Typewriter. Typewriter is a typewriter-inspired app brought to you by Tom Hanks.
The app is also complete with animated features like the carriage return and type hammers. Users can customize their experience by disabling the delete key, trying out custom fonts by Tom Hanks, and even switching typewriters. It also allows for easy printing, sharing, and managing of documents. And as a bonus, you will receive a handwritten letter from Tom Hanks upon downloading the app. What's not to love about that, right? So if you're an Apple user, check the app out after the video to try it out yourself. Tom Hanks' typewriter collection is simply awesome. It's a showcase of nostalgia that reminds us of simpler times when creativity flowed through the clatter of keys. His passion for typewriters truly celebrates the art of writing in its purest form.
That's the sound of typing. It's the cadence of creativity. It's the percussion of punctuation.
If you enjoyed this episode of Celeb Collection, let us know who you'd like to see next by dropping your favorite celebrities in the comments below, and we'll make sure to feature their collections in our future episodes. Also, give this channel some support by clicking on the subscribe button, and stay updated on our upcoming content by hitting the notification bell so you'll always get notified on our next one. Thank you for watching, and until next time,